Oh my goodness, Birdie went crazy after y'all. Oh my goodness. Y'all getting attacked. Oh, they're sitting all around you. Oh my goodness. You must got some sugar on y'all.
I touched a feather.
You touched one?
I touched a feather.
Look, Andrew chasing one.
Like every time I can touch it, but like...
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Get us a towel. Oh, now you don't want to hold that DS. Go catch you one. Get him, Danica.
What do we catch one?
Bring her home.
Like grab it like...
Yeah, bring him with the other bird. Andrew, get one. You almost had it. You almost had it. Where's Andrew? They're gonna eat your ice cream. Look, here they come, here they come. They're coming back for more.
Rabies.
I don't think so. Why, you touched one of them already? Andrew, you got one?
Oh, I touched a bit. It slapped me.
Is it soft?
It's feathers. It's got you.
Oh yeah, they're gonna come get you. Except they all come flopping to you, Jasmine.
I'm a princess. I got you.
Not today.